So guys, this is just a quick video on explaining that me and Marshall are doing a giveaway of a DJI Mavic Pro drone. It's about £1,000. Links are in the description. They're all the same. They all lead you to where you can join. It's completely free. You just have to subscribe, and then once you've done that, you gain additional stuff to get more, to pretty much more chances of being able to win this thing. It's completely free. We just can't put into words how much you guys mean to us, so we're doing it by just spending a shit ton of money on you guys. Pretty much it. We're gonna do this back when we got back from CYPRUS. I'm gonna plug this. Links for that will be in the description, because me and Marshall recorded probably my favourite time of my life so far. It was great, loved it, and you guys were smashing the support on that. But we were nervous because it's a lot of money, but we just decided, why not? You guys deserve it. You guys are awesome. Again, it's completely free. Thank you guys so much, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.